Recording started.
What's going on?
He's trying to choke himself.
So you out? You all right? Billy, you all right? Dispatch, we're stopped on Willett Road.
Here, let's just go.
Let's go, yeah.
What's happening?
He was trying to choke himself out.
Hey, give me your...
We need. There he goes. All right, we got him back awake. We're right back to the jail. Have the nurse downstairs waiting on us.
Let us know when y'all have any security in the Sally Court. Waiting 23.
Yeah, okay. We're back moving now.
Sheriff's Office, let us know. Yeah, where are you?
Tell them to get out in the Sally Port and meet us. We're pulling to the driveway now.
We're not going to be able to make more stop by train now.
Okay, we're good. We're fixing to pull to the gates now.
Trouble.
Nine, you might want to come out here.
Like 9, 10, 7. Where you got 21?
I'll call and advise him.
I believe he is up to speed on what's going on.
Okay. Dispatch 497 County Jail. Close the Sally Ports. Still rolling.
Oh, Nick!
You good?
Oh, Nick, he slammed my fucking head in the door.
His head's on the other side.
Yeah!
Billy, bend your leg.
Ah, Nick! Come on, Get off me, man. He slammed my fucking face, my head in the door. Get this fucking man. Who was to punch me in the fucking face on the back of the car? Where's that motherfucker at my neck?
He took off running from Foster at the hospital, yes.
Yeah, he did.
Where's Foster?
He was still up in the room, I guess, whenever JPD caught him out in the streets.
They're sending me back here with fentanyl on my goddamn body.
The nurse said your test come back clean.
No, he did it. It's on the goddamn x-ray. Dude with the bitch hit me in my fucking face while I'm cuffed, you motherfucking bitch. I'll fuck your bitch.
Let's go
ass up,
inside.
boy.
Inside.
I'm fucking with the attacking me while I was
Inside.
in the fucking car, handcuffed. My goddamn neck.
You weren't thinking about your neck.
Yeah, I didn't give a fuck about it because that punk bitch motherfucker
Inside.
was. There's a chair.
Where's the chair?
That'll do.
Chair.
Go. Bitch, you're getting your ass fired. You're getting your ass fired, dick sucker.
Billy, calm down, brother.
That bitch, he attacked me in the back of the goddamn car.
You don't want to catch no more charges, man. You got enough.
Look at my face, man.
I know.
Dude,
You got
pulled
enough
over while I was in handcuffs with to beat me in my fucking head.
Well, it's all on body camera, so calm down.
Yeah, I'm sure he turned that off.
Just calm down, brother.
Get off me, man.
Hey, I'm just trying to get you calm,
Get
okay?
off me, you fucking prick
Hey,
bitch.
look at us, not him.
Look at us,
That
okay?
bitch attacked me when I was in the car, man.
It's all right, I know. Calm down. We don't want to have to fight you or anything like that, okay?
Come on, get up.
Come on, I gotta catch my breath.
Well, come on, we're going right over
You
here.
do it in the chair.
Come on.
I can't breathe, dude. Please let me catch my breath.
Billy, come on.
I can't. I gotta catch
We're
my
going
breath.
right
From
across.
there to there.
Come on,
You don't
we're
need
going
to
right
catch your
across.
breath.
Come on, Billy.
Stand up.
Stand, man.
We're gonna have the nurse. We're gonna have the nurse check you out. Get this off of him.
Fucking weak ass bitch.
I'm gonna take this off you, okay, Billy? Because you're hot. I know.
I think
Gotta
you
cool
cut
you
it
down a little
cuffs,
bit.
man.
Yeah, well, they're all upside down, so you're gonna have to undo your hands.
Ah!
Master, come over here.
Ah!
Come back.
I'm right here.
Grab his right arm. Somebody grab this arm. This arm. This arm.
Ah!
Right side.
Stop pulling
Right
on
side.
me, man. Ah! Get the fuck off my wrist! Ah! God damn it, man! Ah!
Stop or I'll break your
Hey, you hurt my goddamn hand, you motherfucker!
I'm trying to get it off. And you
Goddamn, there's an easier way to go about it, you motherfucking prick! Ah!
Motherfucker.
Ah!
You're going to
Ah! My goddamn bone! Ugh.
I got it.
Ah!
You gonna be around here a while now. You're gonna have felony charges.
I don't give a fuck. Dude, I got bitten on my goddamn body. Y'all gonna kill me any goddamn way.
Hold this up. You were released from the hospital.
I don't get. Yeah, they come in there and fucking lied to me, deck in my fucking face, and then when I made them bring the goddamn doctor in there, asked do it. I
Give me
said
the
to her,
first push
I
out.
pointed it to him.
Hey.
I said, "What's that?"
Get two of them.
I got a goddamn bit on me.
might
man.
off his arm.
You're a lying cock.
Yeah, cock of shit, piece of shit. Yeah, I'm lying. I'm not. Go ahead and get your arm to everybody else has. Fucking pussy. Yeah, I'm a liar. I'm a liar. When I fucking die, fuck you. Dude, I'm not lying. I'm not
Cover
one
mics.
bitch, man.
Cover mics, please.
Cover mic.
Out here. Out here.
Cover mic.
Thank you. No, but y'all
You good?
obviously
All right.
had attention.
You all right?
So I was just trying to push you out. So.
Are you hurt?
I ain't got a lot.
He's not going
You know what?
I know. What, trying to start another?
I know.
Not trying to, like, only reason I had to punch him was because he was trying to fucking choke
No, I was
himself.
talking about in here. I was
I
just
know.
talking about in here.
I know. What I'm saying is, from here to here, like, I'm not here to talk shit and round people up. Like, I was trying to help out.
I know.
And with him coming at me, that's the only reason I pushed him in the face. Like, I
Understand.
didn't do that of fucking
I know.
anger. or
I
nothing.
just wanted to come and tell
Okay.
you I
Yeah,
was
no, we're
sorry
good.
for
That's-
pushing you back because
You're. My mic's. Y'all, are you okay?
I'm
Is your
fine.
hand? All right.
No, I was. So I was
Yeah, I don't care about. I don't care about that shit.
I ground.
Yeah, I don't care about all this shit. I just want to make sure you're all right.
No, I.
Yeah, I just want to make sure you're all right. Hey, everybody that's involved in this, can y'all email me a statement? We're going to charge you felony escape. So, which is cditto at cricketcountyar.gov.
Because he was punching on me and pulling on me.
Keep parking.
Yeah, they hollered at me and said they're going to charge you for for escape.
Give me that again. C ditto.
Cditto, CDI.
I know you're good. I understand.
We always have tension, JPD in the jail, and I just want you to know, like,
No,
like
you're
we on
good.
y'all's side.
No, I know. Today's my last day. I'm going to
Really?
prison.
You gonna work through?
Yeah. But no, from my point of view, obviously I can't see from behind. I seen him go up to you, so I took him this way. Then I seen you lunge. I didn't know what you're trying to do, so I was just like, hey, I got it. Just go.
From my perspective, about the time he lunged at me,
I got to have my
when I
stuff.
went out, but then that's now that everything's sound, that's what I'm trying to keep on. So at the hospital. Was a deputy or was a jailer?
We
Jailer.
got our sergeant up there.
Okay, so he got away from there, and then I was at work. Got off duty working at the ER, holding on the radio outside. When I show up, it's just me and the other off duty guy, him, and a bunch of nurses. I'm a so
No.
At the hospital?
We haven't seen nobody in our department besides me. I was the only one there. They hollered that he was running from the hospital, and I pulled up. JP didn't know how him in custody outside.
What's Jerry?
And
He had to go back to the room and get paid.
yeah, I told him to go back and get the discharge paper because the nurses told me he's discharged. So I told him to go get that paperwork. We need it.
Locked room and
That's what I was wondering. 'Cause I was like, where's the officer of ours that was with him?
I don't know, but I've got to have him here to do statements and everything.
he should be on the way back.
So Jonesboro called up to him?
Yeah,
and he ran out?
Jonesboro
Is that
caught
what it
him
was?
out there on the road.
Well, he was saying something about Jonesboro, and I was like, see, all these deputies, and then I walk out here, okay,
Yeah.
there's an ass.
Big guy.
Yeah, big guy.
This dude was about to need less than 2 people. They can see us all the time. I know.
Yeah.
I know
We
we have
have
one person in each area. So
Yeah, I know.
what
We
else
have
do we
a-
do?
We have a
I
felony
know.
warrant on him right now out of Pearl, Mississippi, because he went to the hospital there. But they don't have officers that sit with you at the hospital there. It's a small department.
Yeah.
They let security watch you, and when security calls and tells them you're done, you can pick them up.
Yeah.
He crawled out the fucking window up there and escaped.
That's what he tried to do here. He bolted out the door. I guess. I don't have the full story yet. Blake, don't run off here in a minute.
I'm not going nowhere. I'll be right beside you.
All right.
I just want to know if they give an open window or something. Medical cover it up.
See that at cricketcountyar.gov.
It didn't pass. I didn't even went to the bathroom.
Hey, get loud again.
This goddamn, I don't want to fucking die in this bitch.
We're gonna let you die. Listen, you're gonna have to calm down. Okay?
Yeah.
We're gonna calm down. We're gonna be chill. We're gonna talk. Use words. Hey, I haven't seen you forever.
I know it's been a year.
It's been a while. It's good to see you though. You look good. You look
So
like
y'all
you can take care of
remember
yourself.
All that head stuff.
We're gonna look at that.
All them.
She's gonna check that out.
Because when he stopped, he said,
Right now,
I jumped out of the truck, activated my camera again.
Listen, because nobody's gonna let that
And he
happen.
said, he's choking and stuff, get up here. And he was just beating the
You're not
fuck
gonna die
out
in
of
your
him.
sleep. Calm down.
Then he tried to punch him again here,
You
so.
gotta calm down a little bit, okay? Take some deep breaths. Let's get where we can get a vital reading on you. She can't get one right now. You gotta calm down. You're sweating. Why'd you try to run away from the hospital?
Because they're like, you're getting released. And I'm like, what? She's like, yeah, you're getting released. And I was like, they got her trying to fucking kill me. Y'all need to deny seeing it. And I'm looking dead at it. Then I told the doctor, I made him bring a doctor in there. I said, what is that right there? She said, it looks like something moving through your bowels. She said, it's she was feeling on my shorts trying to find a piece of metal and couldn't find it. Yeah,
Stay calm.
they tried to say, oh, it's the chain around your belt. No, it's goddamn not.
Well, guess what? Getting your blood pumping faster, getting your blood pressure up, it's only gonna make, if something's in there, make it faster, and it's gonna be worse. Calm down. Calm down. You're gonna be alright. We'll be alright.
31 Lake City
It
unit.
is. I'm not gonna let you
Go
die
ahead.
on this show.
Will you go to 601 Lake Street, 601 Lake, and make contact with a female?
You're okay.
Difficult to understand on the phone, but I'm headed to Lake City.